What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and I'm just going to show you how to fix this. And the error is WS-116521-6. This service is currently under maintenance. It's a network error. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. Simply we go to the settings, and user and account must check the PSN account is logged in or not, and your console is logged in automatically or not. If you set the password, you just turn it off, and not to do that, set a password, you then go to the network, view PlayStation network services, check the server. If you get the green, then the server is working up and good. If you get the red option, then you wait, so it will fix this up automatically. Do nothing. And if the green, then you contact with the local internet provider, or you just forget it and connect with the old new connection, or set a new connection with the wired cable, a LAN cable, or set the frequencies. And you can set the DNS settings also manually, primary DNS, secondary DNS, and M2 settings in your Wi-Fi and in your LAN cable or wire cable also. So look at that, here we do. So simply, so that's how you can fix this error, and I hope so you found my video helpful for you, and see you soon for the next one for the next topic. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.